What's up, everybody? I've had a bunch of emails on a few different things. I just want to make you guys aware of two different ones. One is calendar. A lot of you guys are not taking advantage of this. This will be color coded for all of your classes. So even if you're in my other class, this will be a different color. But if you're curious about due dates, calendar is something that is very helpful. It'll organize everything for you. And really, I use the agenda quite a bit. I think that's very, very helpful. Just throwing that out there. The other piece is a lot of individuals have asked how to submit things. So this is going to look a tiny bit different, but because I've already been a test student and submitted everything, but here's where all your instructions would be. Over on the top right, yours is going to actually say submit assignment instead of resubmit assignment. You're going to click that blue button here, and this screen will come up. If you have other classes that are expecting, text, there's going to be a text box piece here. If there's a URL, you just toggle through whichever they're requesting. In this case, you're looking to upload a file. So let's say it was that file. Submit it. And if you need to leave me a comment, you can drag this down, leave me a comment, and you're all set. Hit that blue button, you're good. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Take care, everybody.